Hello friends, today I went to Prague to repair this car, this Lupo. Lupo just stopped on the roundabout and didn't want to go. So everything seems to be good. The gear shifting was correct. Clutch was working, but car did not want to drive and only started in neutral and don't want to went from the idle speed to the to higher RPMs. So cause seems to be this. I'm sorry, I will focus it once more. And cause was here. These contacts were worn out. So because I haven't much tools with me, I just used this broken knife to clean these contacts. These are for brake lights, these two, and this is the opposite side, and second one for gearbox are here. This spring is conductive and it functions vice versa, or on the opposite direction, or opposite function. So when the brake lights are on, this is off, and vice versa. When the brake lights are off, this is on. So I will clean these two contacts underneath this spring and hope that car will drive. So this is all. So dear friends, let's try it. I have installed the brake switch back, and you will see if the green light is lighting. It's good, reacts perfectly and starts okay. Shifting is okay. Seems to be the problem is solved. Seems to me it's okay. I will now make a short test drive just around the corner to check it if it's everything okay. Oh yes, it's gonna be okay. It will be okay. Start the eco regime. Oh, steering is a little bit hard. Well, it looks very good. I'll check the start-stop system if the battery is charged. I'm not sure because car was stopped here for 1 week and nothing because of I don't know. But it seems to be good. Battery needs to be charged. There is a car, so I'll try it to take here. Oh, seems to be very good. A little bit unsure with the clutch, but I think it will be good. So that was only a problem with the car. These brake switches are problematic because the new ones from second or I'm sorry, from the... Oh, owner is here. Maybe. So these are a little bit problematic because of the aftermarket parts. Aftermarket parts are not a good quality, and they used to fail during the 14 days maybe. So I learned to clean the old original Volkswagen Audi part, and it works very fine in both cars, in not both but maybe in 20 cars I have repaired in the past. So good radio. So now I will check the fault codes and delete it, and I think it's finished. So this repair took maybe half an hour. It was no, not longer. So I recommend to clean it before it starts to be lumpy or creepy. So you can recognize it simply early, because when you turn ignition on in stop position, it must light, this green light, this must be lit on. If not, there is a problem, and it must absolutely perfectly be switchable, or I'm sorry, this must be repeatable, and if it not, like if it after start, if this light not comes on, so try to do this with the brake pedal, and if it start, so the problem is in this switch. So I recommend everybody to change it for original part. Don't buy it as an aftermarket. Not good for me. Doesn't matter on the price. Whole aftermarket is not very good. So better is to clean it. So see you next time. Keep driving your Lupos.